This faceless TikTok page was just created 3 months ago. Today it has just over 10 million views and makes well over $5,000 a month just from the TikTok creator program. And the craziest thing is the videos can be created with AI in literally no more than 10 minutes. This is their most viral video. It has 800,000 views and it is just some simple AI-generated video with voiceovers and sound effects. Promise just send a pic. Dang, or is it like not a good time? Sounds easy to replicate, right? It is, but only if you use the right AI tools. Getting started. This is a video I created in just under 10 minutes. Not going to lie, I might leave you for him. It's so big, and it looks much better than the one that got 800,000 views. And all I did was input a prompt into ChatGPT and use this AI software to generate my video. So make sure you watch till the end, as I will be showing you the full step-by-step process to creating viral faceless videos. Let's get right into it. Creating videos first, search Clippie AI on Google. Once you're on their website, head over to the dashboard. Now, this is how we get started. Select the text story video generator. Here is where you can customize your layout for your video, which I highly recommend you do, as small key details boost your video's engagement. We then head over to ChatGPT and input a special prompt, which will then give us a fully detailed text conversation. Make sure you read over the conversation so it doesn't sound like an AI. Now copy what ChatGPT has given you. Head over to Clippie AI and paste it into your video script. This then creates an entire text story for you. Now generate the voiceover for your script by selecting your voice characters for the voiceover. Customize each voice to your own style that will also match the video, and then hit generate. Now I will show you the key details to increase your video watch time and engagement. First, we customize the message delay to increase our story's pace. You can also customize the delay for each individual message if you need to. Then we complete our video's appearance, select a high-quality engaging video that will play in the background. Add background music that suits the video to increase the emotional engagement. Once that is completed, you're now ready to generate your video. That's all you need to do. Video showcase. This is how the video has turned out.
Hey, can we talk? I think we need to have a serious conversation.
Wow, really? I'm shocked. Should I prepare a formal goodbye party?
This isn't...
Make sure you join our free Discord community if you have any questions about our software or require support in getting your faceless page to go viral. I've put a link to join down in the description below, where you can connect with 500 other members and also the owners of Clippie AI directly. So make sure you join the Clippie community and help us grow. You can find the link of Clippie in the description below.